What's up, guys? I am back and it's about to kick off. Okay, I've been away for about a month or two, but I'm back, honey, and it's about to go down. You better show up every week because I will be here. I will be here because my aim is to motivate you to become the better version of yourself. This is my favorite time of the year. I love this time of the year for many reasons. For the fact that it's cozy, for the fact that we are drawing closer to Christmas. But most importantly, I love this time of the year because it's the time to reset your goals, to reset your life. I want to motivate you. I want to help you to see that you can go higher than where you are right now. And I promise you, I will be delivering content that will do just that. Okay, today we are going to talk about jealousy. We're going to talk about how we can leverage on jealousy in 2022. How can we turn our jealousy into a fuel in the new year? We are not jealous for things that we don't need. We are not jealous for things that we are not interested in. The reason why we are jealous is because we desire something. It's because we feel the emptiness, we feel the space for something or somebody. Every time that you feel jealous, it's because there is a need to be filled. And so jealousy is a clue, a wake-up call. Jealousy is there to tell you that hello, there is a room for improvement. Hello, there is an empty, there is a space here that needs to be filled. And for me personally, I want to approach jealousy in the new year from a different angle. And so I invite you to entertain jealousy, to explore it, to contemplate it, to ask yourself every time that you feel like you're being jealous, ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What is causing me to look at X or Y in a way of jealousy? And really get to the bottom of it, because that's the easiest and natural way to get to understand your deepest needs, your life purpose. When you see somebody doing well at something or possessing something and you're disturbed, it's because there is another level to you. You are not settled because there is more into you. And instead of denying it, instead of pretending and playing the game that, oh, I'm not a jealous person, I am very healthy and I love everybody around me, that's just lying to ourselves. The moment you start entertaining that feeling in a healthy way, so not letting it consume you, not letting it poison your life, the moment you actually really embrace the feeling itself and actually explore it and ask yourself the right questions, instead of keeping your focus on the person, you turn your focus back to you. The feeling is still the same, regardless if you carry on hating on the person or if you seek counseling, for example. So the feeling itself is not the problem. It's how you deal with it that becomes a problem. And so my invitation for you today is to consider in the new year to make it a goal that every time that you feel jealous about something or somebody, lay down, take the time, or I don't know, you don't have to lay down, but I suppose what I'm trying to say is that entertain that feeling. Let it be. Be aware of it and start asking yourself, why? Why am I feeling the way I'm feeling? What is it that the person has that disturbs me so much? I promise you, 99% of the time, you will get to the bottom of it. And when you get to the bottom of it, that's your chance to act on, to now pin down that need. So once you've done that, once you've found out what it is that is disturbing you, what is the need that you need to fulfill in your life, now start thinking of strategies to draw close to whatever it is that you need. It is as simple as that. Once you identify your need, just find a way to make it happen in your life too. So you see that in the end, jealousy is not a bad thing. Jealousy is a blessing. Jealousy directs you to places that you unconsciously blocked out. Places that you don't want to go because of fear, because of self-doubt, because of stress, because of other reasons that I might not be aware. So remember that jealousy is not about the person, it's about you. People don't walk around trying to provoke you. You are just unsettled every time you see a person at the level or at the place or doing things that you unconsciously crave to do. So instead of pretending that you were this loving person that never gets jealous about anybody or anything because you're just so loving, just embrace it. It's a normal feeling. It's part of us being human. As I said at the beginning, you might be thinking about your New Year resolutions. And so jealousy is one way to help you through, to help you come up with goals that actually will fulfill your inner, your unconscious needs. Now is the time to start examining yourself, to start questioning those feelings, to start digging deeper so that you can come up with goals for a new year that actually fulfill your inner needs. Start asking yourself, why is it that every time I see this person, I feel unsettled? Is it because of this? Is it because of that? You're going to get to the bottom of it, and I promise you that by the time you actually sit down to write down your New Year resolutions, you're going to come up with things that actually going to impact your life in a very productive way, because it's inside you. It's your inner needs and purpose, life purpose, and they're actually going to impact your life in a positive way. Let's say, for example, that you find out that, oh, actually being in the relationship is something that is consuming you. You are jealous of that girl or boy because he's single, or she is single and she's able to do much. I'm not saying that people who are single are able to do things. I'm just taking a random example. Or let's say that you're single and you see somebody, your friend or whatever, in the relationship, and then you feel unsettled. So you see that either way, if that is your inner needs, you will be able to pin it down and be actually able to put it down as your goal for next year and work on the strategy to actually make it happen. See, it's that simple. I hope that this video inspires you in embracing jealousy and actually using it for your own advantage. Use it to fuel your desire, to fuel your life, into making yourself a better person. Because when you embrace jealousy, you get to see what is that next level, as I said already, that you can aspire to, and it makes you a better person. It helps you to grow. Instead of focusing your energy toward the person you're jealous about, focus it toward yourself so you can expand yourself, so you can become the better version of yourself. That's me done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.